Hello guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to sew the trouser zip on the trouser. So the first step is to attach the zip to the piece that holds the zip itself. Then after that you attached one pair of the trouser to the zip. Just as you can see, just pay attention to what I'm doing. You are free to answer your questions on the comment section below. For now, just pay attention. It's not difficult, as you can see. Then this is the zip cover of the trouser. Take note of how it's being placed, the pattern, so you don't make a mistake. So when you get here, you make a notch, so you'll be able to fold it appropriately. As you can see, a notch 0.5 inch, then you turn inwards and mash it down, as you can see. Alright, we're almost there. Okay. Now the next step is to attach the two pairs of the trouser together. You start your stitches from the notch, just as you can see. Alright. Okay. Pay close attention. You don't stitch to the extreme end. You stopped halfway so that you'll be able to attach the back panel. So take note. Alright, we're almost there. It's advisable to run it twice so that the stitches will be firm. Okay, and here's the part where you attach the zip to the zip back cover, to the zip cover. Okay, take note, for the zip cover to align properly, you have to slant the zip a little bit, so the zip cover can cover the zip properly. Okay, almost there. Alright, now here's the last part, the shaping, the shaping of the zip cover. Okay, take note of how I actually bent the other one to the other side, so I don't stitch on it, because if you stitch on it, the place will be closed. So take note. When you are getting to the end of it, you bend the other one to the other side, then you make your curve, as you can see. Take note of the iron on the zip so that it doesn't break the machine's needle. There you have it. We're done. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. I hope you've learned something. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next update. And here we have our zip.